go on like say you want to take with the idiot out here. You go on like say you want to take with the idiot. Look how well you got in trouble over YASSO. Nobody knows it over YASSO. Look how well you got in trouble over YASSO. Sometimes people go on people comment section and hear people attack and them a type as them go along. The woman and you look how you got in trouble over YASSO. Over YASSO not trouble nobody. I don't know where you walk around and I look about people think they come here. Come here. First of all, let me tell you something. GT have a job. If you GT have a job, and let me tell you something, you might feel say you sit down there and I watch. Why you feel like say you fit talk and dissect and go, cause look what you do it over here, so you fit talk, everybody trouble you. So me I gotta ask you one question. Did Chris trouble you the other day with the cake with the woman? You feel like say nobody, you not for come out here and talk about Curly, you know? Bees. You know if it come out here, come talk about nobody, because guess what? You don't want nobody talk about you. You don't want nobody talk about you. A GT blood, you're not so called GT blood like how you so called peak my man blood, you know. Cause I'm tell you something. You can't say me I make up story, me not make up no story for you. Me not making up no story for you. I am man down at Jamaica, Andrew talk. Anything where you come out here with Andrew name, Andrew talk it. So nobody come say me I make up no story, cause I'm not making up any story for you. So don't bother get it. Let me tell you something. You not take Andrew Fat and turn it over upon GT, cause you never choke a partner with GT. Go on and leave GT alone. Leave GT alone. You not take, you not go suck out GT blood like how you suck out to speak my mind and for Chris. Cause you go on like say you don't want nobody talk about you and you don't want nobody do you. Chris not trouble you. The amount of people you trouble prior. Then don't trouble you. I mean, you know who every day you come out here try to prove people who are hypocrite. Oh, you never come out openly and call out big old Tina. I know you call out Curly because I guess you're shame. You're too hypocritical and you like to call people hypocrite. And you like, I remember say I like you little problem, I never like you, know, I never like you, know, they have to say, you know what? Long come, leg off a GT shot. Leg off a GT shot. Cause a GT business you want to know, but me tell you friend now, you cannot send him go look at job. Because he have a job. And if a GT you don't need no $50 to out here, you know, go a panties, so go look about it. You not take set pan GT and go back and front because until you come out here to GT and me I gotta answer you. You're not going to take no set pan GT. You're not sucking out GT blood like you suck out for Chris and for speak my mind blood out here. Cause you like to take set pan people and you do not done. You don't know when to done. If you're all and tan, so when tired did young how you tan? You should be retiring peacefully. Yes, one miserable old soul. Leave the man alone. But you're sending to get a job, find have a job already. I'm more than one. Hey, you think that the little YouTube at the GT business you want to know, you will not know it. All the while you try to judge people for know for them the same way for your business underneath. Don't bother worry. Don't bother worry. Well, do not worry. You don't bother worry. You don't worry about GT and views. You ever hear GT come out here and about for views? You ever hear GT come out here and balling for views? So how you worry about the views? It seems like you have a problem. You don't want nobody do it with you, so how you are do it with people? What the GT say about you, was it a lie? You feel walk and tell lie and make mischief from people and make it look like what it not is. I want you out here say chin and social media newsroom. You go pick up and say You know to God and to man's soul say I a big fool friend own the page. And as bad to bad, even though I don't like her neither, you come out here, you say Michelle own the page. Could have put the woman in a serious problem. Make all the woman have to come on social media come cuss Ross. You, with your attitude, you will make Christian cuss Bumble Rasclat. You come like cow. I wonder if I should call you cowitch. You come like cowitch. You name out Chris. You name out. You suck out Chris blood. You suck out Speak My Mind blood, and you suck out for chin. You suck out for social media. You suck out for what over YASSO. I know you're gone from GT. Leave the man alone. You're not baking. You look like you're different. You're not baking bread pudding. You're not baking bread pudding and what is it near butter cake, pound cake. You're not baking bread pudding and pound cake this year. You don't have anything to bake. I said if you're not baking no more. You're not making the bread pudding and butter cake. You're not doing the little business there no more. Bake man, bake and sell some bread pudding man. You mean to tell me say every day you're in a bangarang. You're in a bangarang. You're going a bangarang with chin. Social media. You take on the bangarang till you take the man on the double. Then after chin, you come out, you're gonna Chris. Then if you never mind chat, you and the woman over there, so they never want to like chin either. I Speak My Mind. Then again you come, you're gone, you say fresh blood. You like fresh blood. You're not suck out GT blood out here. You will not suck out GT blood, because when the last time I checked GT now, I'm a white fowl. Him is doing him job, leave him alone. Because when you come out here for take set and tell lie, look at over YASSO. Everybody knows that over YASSO. Not no more than the girl go over upon the live, you know, because you know some you that come over here now and you hear something. And the girl, the woman go to hear them and say, I say people she don't want nobody in her phone about and the woman. And Jennifer Cowitch go on over the way you try proof. We never ask you for you're going like say you will never ask you if you come out you come fight. You know what you notice with her? When she do her thing, she not come out, you come apologize. I say one day, smile. I all post Stacy. Everybody, you just have to walk around today, tomorrow, and I look problem. When you gone pan the woman comment fast, so what? She's supposed to talk when she want to talk. She's her own big woman. She is her own big woman. She free to go anywhere she want to go, because you walk up and down. Leave her alone. Leave over YASSO alone. She entitled to make any comment where she want to make. She's her own big woman. She is her own big woman. She entitled to go anywhere. You cannot make no mischief with her. Because I say, guess what? She's not looking anything. I must the devil find things see her mouth to speak. Me say the woman should just suck out the man them blood out here. GT never take no money from you, you know. GT never take any money from you. You're not trying to cocky partner with GT. Come on, find back. Let him go. Let go and shot, make him breathe. Lego him shot attack team on play your big dirty cold friend all and pan Noel and I want Lego poor Noel. And you decide say you go jape up GT a lie una tell out here. Alright, una tell out here, una go Lego the people them out here. Couple months ago you suck out. Speak my mind blood. You suck out for Chris. You gone now for over YASSO. Over YASSO. Where you go draw the woman now? How you feel like? You feel like you can't get up everybody fi get out. Everybody fi come. No. The people them have them job. They don't have time. They don't have no time for you. How you want to be? Did Dana ask you to find out who are hypocrite? Anybody go anywhere to make them comment? This is no problem. On see people comment I don't know. Not no more than can let me tell you something. That girl, she would never do that. Nothing more than the girl go on the comment section. Hear the lady I say people for leave her alone and she said but to tell it to them also. She would have never go over there. And here went on the lady, I draw down the lady, here went on the woman, I draw down the lady. She didn't do it. You just feel like you know everything and you can expose everybody, you're not exposing them, putting them on your still. You're going like you're more skilled than anybody. Leave the boy alone. The only work with GT have to work for you. And that's a task so I'm not gonna take up. You don't love send people go work the one them when not work because you seems like somebody when not working. Pay unnecessary why you want to make so nobody come talk about something tell you when I go to because to say Andrew, the Gulliver brother, I never me ask Andrew anything. It's never me ask Andrew anything. I was only a listener. So nobody come bright up yourself with me, but me I tell them, I never tell a lie. Andrew talk say yeah my name. So me never know say you in a music business. To the last time I know, and just see him one talk to you, tell him about your sister them a house in a courthouse. So therefore, I know me I tell a lie. If I me I tell a lie, go call Andrew. And the people then say, you tell them say when you find out say Andrew have woman down at Texas. They say you tell them say you they go report Andrew say Andrew a scammer for Andrew can't come in a firing to go to the woman. And Andrew tell the somebody say Marco, I repeat what was said. You did get up and go and it feel like say you're going both ways because you get up in a night and go and just say I wouldn't bother tell you because I don't want body shame me. I know come out here. But Jennifer, you say anything when you feel like say me tell a lie, go ask Andrew. Cause Andrew said tell you plain and straight as some here Monica name. In tell you plain and straight say nah left a woman for you. Andrew says so. I know me say so. Cause me no know Andrew. I don't know if somebody did send me one picture of him and when him brother did pass up, me see him because me no want Andrew because me can't choke a partner. I me no intend for throw any cocky partner either. Cause me have my own style, me can't style my own show. Me not fit there with nobody, brother. I go on. So when you they got talk, say anything where you hear me talk out here, me love go take it up with Andrew. Go and call Andrew and take it up with Andrew. But me know you would have never carry the lady name over there. I said nothing more than when you go over there, you hear the lady and say she don't want nobody take no set pan her and you make the comment. Cause you would never go on a platform and tear down that. But let me tell you how she stay. She like fresh blood. She suck out for Chris blood. She suck for speak my mind. She suck for chin. So now I notice that the way she greedy for blood. She a take the blood them pan the double. Cause first time she used to take them 1-1. And you see, she come up, they gonna tell her how she stay. She take them 1-1. So now she want the double. Now are you and what did she take up social media, newsroom and chin. So now she taking up you and GT this morning. I don't think no pie is there. I don't think no pie is there. I go to there all, you know, like all fall. Cause if you don't know if you cook all fall, go to trash, you know, no pie. Leave the people them alone, man. You come talk about some word. Left GT alone, you know, come out, you come trouble the GT. You not suck out GT blood because I say, when you don't want nobody say anything about you. Cause until now me I wait upon the video where you say me used to cuss and dog the lady. Carry come, me I wait upon it. You remember say somebody clot you? Carry it come. Jesus Christ. It was a video before where what a wicked look crew bait. Jennifer wanna make a wicked lie so. What a wicked I saw she tell lie for me, no. I saw that bitch tell lie for me, that big bitch. But you know something, she don't know say something because she love screen record. What a wicked girl. What a wicked long time old lady. Jeez. What a wicked turtleback girl. Jennifer, why you do it? Why you tell such a wicked lie? How many things say you did that on the live when the lady has say, Jennifer, why you do it? Jennifer, why you do that? All vampire, why you do it? Take up your Bible. Take it from me. Take up your Bible and read Psalms 109 and call her name in it. She name Jennifer Baran. Take up your Bible and read Psalms 109 fear and call her name in it. She too lie. She too lie. What a wicked girl. No man, you deserve some thumping on your broad back. You deserve some thumping on your hard back. You're too wicked. Why you do it? Why you carry down judgment upon the woman without a cause? Last week you do chin on social media. And you come this week for GT and over here, so you're too wicked. Why you do it, Jennifer? Why you do it? That's a wickedness. You're too wicked. Why you not gonna bake your pound cake and your bread pudding and leave the people them alone? You're too wicked. No, man. No. You don't let her go, so don't let her go. Do not let her go. Don't let go. Don't let her go. That's anytime again you think twice. Don't let her go. Don't make him get to your father one year so easy. Give him a rass lick. Read Psalms 109 for your nastiness. To lie. I'm thinking the same. I think was the same life, but you went in on it before the lady start to go, because nobody now gonna start them live. The lady never, and you made that comment. Athena she learn from. Athena she learn from a same so. Cause they no looking out when they after you anytime I hear blood she come off and GT she want the way this vampire get greedy for blood. She start take them by the double. Last week you get to with Chin and Observant and Chin and social media newsroom. You not get to the week ya. You not get to with GT blood. Not the backside. Over me dead body. Me and you we are gonna have it out here. We are have it out here. Not so called GT blood out here. You must say mad. You could have mad. Over me dead body. You not so called GT blood out here. Judgment with me and you out here. Night and day. We are gonna buckle it out. We are going to buckle it out. You're not getting away. Because you're not throwing no cocky partner with GT. You're too out of order. You're too out of order. You're not so GT blood. You think I chin blood this. You think I speak with my man Chris blood this. GT blood, you not get it. Vampire, hold your position. Hold your position. No matter when you see GT, walk and wish him well. You see like how you're afraid of big draws over there, so? And I me give you, when you see me come out for big draws, you see you start kick up rumpus. Walk and wish him well. You're not have GT. No, you're not sucking off GT blood. You're not drinking it. This is not speak my mind blood. And this is not Chris blood. You have a tendency because of where you got through with Andrew for Jamaican man. You never go and collect your cocky partner from Andrew. Andrew, I am sure GT name is not Andrew Chamberlain. You need to go and collect your money from Monica. And Andrew is them plan up and name out your money. You need to go and do that. Not GT. GT never take no dollar from you. You took your money to a cocky partner and now you have a vengeance all man down at Jamaica. You never throw none with Speak My Mind. You never throw a cocky partner with GT. But the vengeance were in you. The hurt were in you. When the poor blagger then come from Jamaica, you feel like you have to jump on them back. Hell to the no.